Malawi Today.
Let's honor members, let's proceed, starting with Lilongwe Mpenu. Yours is not maiden speech, so you have 10 minutes. Proceed, Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for granting the people of Lilongwe Mpenu an opportunity to contribute to the address by the state president, Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika. Let me begin by, like others have done before, congratulating you, Mr. Speaker, sir, on your ascendancy to the office of the Speaker. Secondly, Mr. Speaker, sir, allow me to thank the people of Lilongwe Mpenu for trusting me once again and sending me back to this house to represent them. I'm truly grateful to them, and I do not take this for granted. Mr. Speaker, sir, allow me at this juncture, before I address or I contribute directly to the address by the President, allow me to join the call coming from the leader of UTM in this house for a fresh investigation into the tragedy that befell this nation. Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to agree with her that what happened was a big tragedy. And Mr. Speaker, sir, the lives that we lost were important, and particularly when you consider that one of the lives that we lost was the state vice president. And Mr. Speaker, sir, I am aware that in his first address to the nation by the state president from his Nyambadwe residence, when asked by a reporter whether he had plans to launch a fresh investigation into the tragedy, the president responded saying he didn't have plans, but he will wait for his Minister of Justice to advise him. Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to state here that DPP administration is a just arbiter in this whole thing, because they come in as an independent entity. I know for certain that the previous campaign rode on the tragedy that befell this nation, and our friends on the other side preyed on the gullibility of many to advance and propagate lies around the tragedy. And I am certain that the DPP administration will do their best to make sure that a fresh investigation is launched so that we know the truth about what happened. It is in our interest, Mr. Speaker, sir, we on this side, that we also know exactly what happened, because the three reports coming from investigations were dismissed by our colleagues. I am aware that the Minister of Justice did indicate that he will be reviewing the reports that will come to his desk this week. if I would quote one Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein once said, insanity could be defined as doing things the same way again and again, expecting different results. Whilst I respect the decision by the Minister of Justice to review the reports that will be sent to his desk, our interest is, or rather, we would like to join our colleagues to call for fresh investigation into the tragedy, so that we can have a closure as a nation.
Honorable, I have a point of order.
Mr. Speaker, sir, now allow me.
There's a point of order. There's a point of order. Zomba Central.
Zomba City North, Right Honorable Speaker. Thank you for giving the floor to Zomba City North to raise a point of order. Is it in order, Right Honorable Speaker, that the member holding the floor should propagate that this side said lies? Is lying an honorable word, Right Honorable Speaker?
Honorable, indeed, lies is unparliamentary. If you could withdraw that word and maybe replace it with something more parliamentary.
Point of order. Point of order.
Point of order.
Is it Karonga Nyungwe?
Yes, Right Honorable Speaker.
Then Zomba Malosa.
Right Honorable Speaker, is it in order that the honorable member who is holding the floor is giving response to this response of our leader, Honorable Kariati, instead of giving his response to the state president?
Indeed, he should address the chair, and let's stick to what we are doing, honourable members. Let's not divert. We are responding to the president's address, and let's stick to that. A last point of order, Honourable Zomba Malosa.
Right Honorable Speaker, I think it was on the same thing, because the honorable member kept on discussing something on Mulanje West speech. So I wanted also to comment on the same thing. Yes, he has taken almost 5 minutes commenting on Mulanje West response, which is not right. Let him deal with the SONA, not what Mulanje West said. Thank you.
Thank you, honourable members. Honorable Lilongwe Mpenu, consider also winding up.
Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, I've only used 5 minutes of my 10 minutes. Please.
Chair. You have 3 minutes, which you were disturbed. I'm giving you 3 minutes.
I've only used 5 minutes, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Yes. Proceed.
Mr. Speaker, sir. Again, only 2. You are supposed to allow 2 points of order, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Honorable Mulanje West, I can only take 2, which I've exhausted.
Speaker, sir.
But as soon as Honorable Lilongwe Mpenu is finished, I will give you the point of order. Thank you.
Mr. Speaker, sir, allow me at this point to now comment on the President's address. I must say, Mr. Speaker, sir, that the first step towards treating an ailment is correct diagnosis. In this regard, the President did diagnose the challenges, the problems, the ailments that this nation is going through. And Mr. Speaker, sir, we must also understand that this nation was made pregnant with expectation from the promises that our colleagues made during the campaign time. And I do appreciate that right now they are still enjoying some honeymoon. But the clock is ticking on them because the nation is still expecting. Mr. Speaker, sir, I am aware of the promises that our colleagues made. For example, they made a promise that school fees in secondary schools would be abolished effective September 2025. And Mr. Speaker, sir, let me say this. When somebody begins explaining a statement that they made yesterday, it means they were lying. Because facts do not need explanation.
Honorable, you have used that word again, and your time is also up. Please withdraw that word and wind up.
Mr. Speaker, sir, as I wind up, Mr. Speaker, sir, I know that students in the public universities are waiting for free food just like we used to receive. Just like we used to receive.
With these few remarks, but please withdraw the word lies.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I withdrew the word lies and replaced with untruths. As I conclude, Mr. Speaker, sir, students in public universities today are waiting for free food, just like we used to receive when I was in the university. And Mr. Speaker, sir, let me say this, that as a nation, we wish the DPP administration well. We expect them to deliver, because the Malawian voter today has become more shrewd, has become more clever, and they will not take promises for an answer. What they expect is action, action, and more action.
Thank you.
I submit, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you. Honorable Mulanje West, you had a point of order.
Thank you so much, the Right Honorable Speaker. My name was mentioned, and was it in order for the Honorable Member to debate my speech? Yet we are debating the speech of the President. But also, is it in order for the Honorable Member to talk about the untruth issues when people were told to wait for 4 hours, and when people were told in the northern region people not to go search, yet the press of the incidents were just walking distance, were just a few kilometers, and people were able to see from the road. And why is it that the Honorable Member is talking about the lies or untruth, and yet people were able to see the press was just closer to where the incident happened? And when is he aware that this person was a vice president when he didn't even take action when he was a secretary general to see to it that it is important to continue searching the whole night when we lost the other person? Thanks so much, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mwazuka?